Sagwa, you're my best friend.
Another meeting of the Gamesters Club is in session. Let's play some Chi-Chan-Su.
Can I play?
Huh? Ow! Why'd you bring her? She's not in the club. I didn't bring her. She must have followed me.
Well, what's the big deal? Can I play? Can I join the club?
We're not taking any new members at this time.
What? Oh, come on. There's got to be some way I can join.
Okay. To get in the club, you have to pass a test. You have to keep this up in the air for 3 hits.
No problem. That's easy.
Sagwa, you're my best friend.